Managing access across accounts for Prometheus monitoring has been challenging. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus now supports resource-based policies to address this issue. You can specify which IAM principals can access your Prometheus workspace, enabling cross-account ingestion and querying. You can attach these policies directly to Prometheus workspaces, allowing non-workspace owners to perform actions using Prometheus-compatible APIs. This feature eliminates the need to assume IAM roles in the workspace owner account for cross-account operations. The new functionality is available in all regions where the service is supported, simplifying multi-account Prometheus monitoring setups. Previously, Amazon VPC had limitations on the number of IP addresses that could be associated with network interfaces, causing issues for use cases in telco and IoT that required routing inbound traffic for large public IP pools. This new feature allows you to route inbound internet traffic for large pools of public IP addresses to a single elastic network interface within a VPC. You can now bring your own IP pools, configure the VPC Internet Gateway to accept traffic for these pools, and route it to a network interface. This eliminates the need for address translation on inbound connections, simplifies network management for large-scale deployments, and enables integration with VPC Route Server for dynamic route updates during failures. Previously, AWS Managed Microsoft AD had limited directory sharing capabilities, constraining organizations' ability to efficiently manage Active Directory across multiple AWS accounts. With the new increased limits, you can now share directories with up to 25 accounts for Standard Edition and 500 accounts for Enterprise Edition. This expansion allows you to scale your directory infrastructure more effectively, centralize authentication and management across hundreds of AWS accounts, and reduce operational complexity by consolidating your Active Directory infrastructure. By eliminating the need for complex workarounds and multiple directory deployments, you can simplify your AWS environment management while maintaining secure and efficient access control across your organization. Managing and querying large datasets efficiently can be challenging. Amazon Athena now supports Create Table as Select (CTAS) statements with Amazon S3 tables, addressing this issue. You can create and populate tables using a single SQL statement, simplifying data management. This feature allows you to convert existing datasets into optimized S3 tables, which are continually optimized for performance and cost. You can then use Athena to analyze your data, join it with other datasets, and evolve it over time. Additionally, the ability to partition data on the fly provides flexibility in optimizing query performance for various use cases. DynamoDB users face challenges in monitoring throttled keys without incurring costs for all accessed keys. The new CloudWatch Contributor Insights mode for DynamoDB addresses this by allowing selective event emission for throttled keys only. You can monitor throttled keys without paying for successful request events, reducing costs. This feature helps you understand traffic patterns, diagnose throttling issues, and gain insights into your most accessed and throttled keys in tables or global secondary indexes. The selective monitoring is now available across all AWS regions, including commercial, GovCloud, and China regions, enabling you to optimize your DynamoDB performance and reduce monitoring expenses. Organizations often need to access AWS Certificate Manager (ACM) APIs securely without traversing the public internet. AWS Certificate Manager now supports AWS PrivateLink, addressing this challenge. You can access ACM APIs from your Amazon VPC without using the public internet, helping meet compliance requirements. By creating interface endpoints in AWS PrivateLink, you can connect your VPC to ACM. This ensures communication between your VPC and ACM occurs entirely within the AWS network, providing a secure data pathway. You can implement this feature in all AWS regions where both ACM and PrivateLink are available, including AWS GovCloud, US, and China regions. DynamoDB users often face challenges diagnosing throttling-related issues. The new granular throttle error exceptions feature addresses this by providing more detailed information about throttling events. You can now identify specific resources and reasons for throttling, view new CloudWatch metrics for better monitoring, access detailed throttling exceptions by upgrading your SDK, and take targeted corrective actions based on the provided throttle reasons. These enhancements enable you to efficiently troubleshoot and optimize your DynamoDB usage, improving overall performance and cost-effectiveness. Regional outages can pose a significant risk to mission-critical DB2 workloads. Amazon RDS for DB2 now offers cross-region automated backups for encrypted databases to address this challenge. You can enable encryption for your RDS for DB2 instances and configure backup replication to a desired AWS region. This allows you to securely copy encrypted database snapshots across regions, enhancing your disaster recovery capabilities. By implementing these features, you can add an extra layer of data protection and safeguard your DB2 workloads against regional disruptions, ensuring business continuity and data resilience.